Hello there, Valued Agent. This video will cover how to download and install the Papercut version 2 for your Macintosh/Apple device. This entire process shouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes of your time and will allow you to have access to the full feature set for all of our copiers, including, but not limited to, stapling, hole punching, and printing from the bypass tray. This new system will also improve both the print quality and the print speed. However, in order to do this, you will need to be at either the Memorial Market Center or the Energy Corridor Market Center. If you try to do this from your client's house, or from your own home, or on your own Wi-Fi hotspot, it will not work. None of the links will work, so please don't try that. So once you're here and your computer's on, just open up any web browser and go to maccanon.kwmemorial.com. Now, as long as you spell it the exact same that I have in front of you, it doesn't matter how you capitalize it. The reason I've done it is to make it easier to both see and understand what I'm talking about. So once you go ahead and visit that page, it'll take you to this page, which will look similar, if not exactly the same, depending on which web browser you're using. So once you're here, you'll notice you have the download button here, or the download button here. Either way, they both do the exact same thing, as long as you choose the direct download option. So depending on your web browser, an icon will appear either in the upper right hand corner or the lower left hand corner, letting you know that the file is downloaded. Once you finish that, go ahead and open up a new tab and visit macxerox.kwmemorial.com. And once you're there, again, you'll be greeted with a similar page. Just go ahead and hit download, direct download. And lastly, if you go to macvideo.kwmemorial.com, it'll allow you to either rewatch or download the video that I'm doing right now. However, for obvious reasons, I can't really show you that because I'm recording the video, so there's nothing there to be linked to. So once you've finished, you want to go ahead and open up Finder and go to our Downloads folder. Now, I created the folder called Papercut version 2 in my Downloads folder and moved my files there. However, if you did not do that, then they're somewhere in your Downloads folder. So once you get there, just go ahead and you want to install the drivers. So once it's finished, you'll see this page here. So go ahead and hit close, and you want to move it to trash, and go ahead and install the Xerox. So during the Xerox installation, you'll be greeted with this page here. What you want to do is don't select anything; just hit continue. And it's going to let you know that it's not creating a queue and it's complaining a little bit. Just go ahead and hit continue, and bam, you're finished. So once it's finished with that, you want to go to System Preferences, Printers and Scanners, and yours probably has printers in it, but this is my Mac test, so I have nothing here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus symbol. Go ahead and hit Add Printer or Scanner. Now, on mine, I have the Advanced tab already there, but if you do not, and you have just default IPN Windows, just go ahead and hit Customize Toolbar, and you'll see the Advanced here, and you can just drag it up here, and hit Done, and there you go. So once you've done that, go ahead and hit the Advanced tab. And this process happens every single time, so we're installing 3 printers today, so it's going to happen 3 times. So once it's done looking, underneath height, I'm going to change it down to Windows Printer via spools. And in the URL, you're going to want to type kwm srv vm01.kwmemorial.local, the slash to the left of the shift key, and this part is critical, memorial downstairs Q. Just like before, you don't have to do the capitalization that I've done. I'm just doing it to make it easier for you guys to see, but the spelling has to be the exact same. And yes, you have to type all of it out. So once you've done that, down here, the name here has to match the name you're putting in after the slash. So if it's Memorial Downstairs Q up there, it has to be Memorial Downstairs Q here. So once you're there, it's going to ask you what driver you choose. So go ahead and hit that, hit Select Software, and you're going to type in 8055. You're going to choose the Xerox C8055. Go ahead and hit OK and hit Add. Now, some of you may get a prompt here asking you for authentication. Most of you will not. So if you get that prompt, what you're going to want to type in, well, I'll show you later in the video what to type in. That way it's a little bit easier. Alright, once it installs, which can take some time depending on where you're at, I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus symbol again. Over to Advanced. I'm going to type in kwm srv vm01.kwmemorial.local slash, I want to do Memorial Upstairs Q. And once again, the name has to match. And go ahead and go choose the driver. Here you'll just type in 7565. That'll take you to Canon C7565. Go ahead and install that. Alright, once that finishes installing, we're going to go ahead and install the very last one. kwm srv vm01.kwmemorial.local. Now this one will be Energy Corridor Q. The driver we will be selecting is software 7260. Go ahead and add. Now, once we're done installing all three, as of this moment, the printers will work. However, none of the enhanced features will work. So no bypass tray, no printing or hole punching or stapling. So what we're going to go ahead and do to fix that is go to Options and Supplies, over here to Options. And for the Energy Corridor, we're going to choose Output Options, Staple Finisher L1. External puncher is 2/3 holes. Go ahead and hit OK. For the Memorial Downstairs, Options. The finisher will be set to Office Finisher LX. The hole punch module is a 2 and 3 hole punch unit. And the Memorial Upstairs will be Options. The output options will be Staple Finisher V2, puncher unit 2/3 holes. Hit OK. And there you go. Now, once you've completed this, now all three of your printers are reinstalled, are installed, and you have access to the full feature set of all the copiers here at Keller Williams Memorial Realty. Thank you.